Hello guys, and welcome to a quick showcase of the Smart Bollinger Indicator that you can find in NinjaCoding Indicators folder. So let's go ahead and enable it. Okay, so it's a very simple but yet very useful indicator that you can actually adjust your Bollinger not to use a bunch of different EMAs or MAs. Okay, so right now, as you know, right, the Bollinger middle line is always a whatever average you want to use, and then it's just a standard deviation away. Okay, so what I made is basically you can choose the MA type that you can use. So it says a bunch of MAs. So let's say I go for HMA, one standard deviation, period 50, and there you go. So you get a completely different curve. Okay, you can go for HMA, then I don't know, let's say that you want to go for WMA, and you get completely different curves. And you can even use a VWAP, okay, which is also pretty interesting. And then last but not least, so let's stick with an SMA. And you can see how different SMA is, for example, from VWO or from HMA. Okay, so and you can also select the offset type. So right now we're using standard deviation. Okay, but we can use ATR. Okay, so which is going to give you quite a different approach. Okay, so you can use HMA and VWMA and ATR. You can use whatever. We can use VWAP and ATR, or VWAP and standard deviation. So this will give you a different style and maybe some extra edge. Okay, hope you enjoy. Thank you.